God's hands. God sees your pain. He will supply an opportunity. He will provide a way bigger and greater than before. Sometimes bad days are there to remind you that you have good ones to look forward to. Be thankful for what you have, and you'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you'll never ever have enough. What God intended for you goes far beyond anything you can imagine. Never lose hope and hang on to God's hand on this second Sunday of Advent. See, I have engraved you on the palms of my hands. Your walls are ever before me. Isaiah chapter 49 verse 16, December 7, 2025.